Alright guys, so at the exit A, I'm gonna take the escalator to go up and then turn left to go to Exchange Square bus terminus. Alright guys, so I'm here. I already crossed the road. I got off there on the other side, and then if you're coming from there, you're gonna turn on the left side here and then follow the Waterfall Bay road to go to Bukfulam Waterfalls. Waterfall Bay Road. Alright guys, so I'm just going to follow this paved road all the way down to the waterfalls. So I'm going to cross the road here guys to go to the park on the other side. I should have crossed earlier up there. So from here guys, we will just walk forward all the way to the waterfalls. Alright guys, so we are here at the waterfalls of Bukfulam and we are going down. We need to jump over the fence here to go down and see the waterfalls closely. Mag-go over the bakod tayo, bebe. Alright. Okay. So we are going down to see the waterfalls. And this is the waterfalls of Bukfulam guys, and apparently it's not advisable for swimming because the water is dirty. It came from residential area up there. and this is the bay. Let's go and have a look.